Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get or activate the one-handed keyboard on your iPhone. The device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way you activate the one-handed keyboard, go into the settings, and in this setting you just need to scrolling down and just go visit this general, and in this general go scrolling down until you find the keyboard tools, and whenever you find it just go click it, and after that you just need to go take a look on this second boxes, and you will see the one-handed keyboard, and then you see that my one-handed keyboard is off, and to activate it just need to go click it and go choose what or which side that you want to have. Either you want to have the left or the right. For me, I'll prefer to do the right. And now let's just go back and take a look for the result. Go into the app library, type in the search button, and you'll see now you already activate the one-handed keyboard on the right side. If you want to change it into the left side, just go click this part. So that's the way how to activate one-handed keyboard on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.